So guys, here you can see our part 11 has been came on the array in data structure, and in this part 11 I am telling you the unique thing in the array of the DSA. So there are part 11 of it. So now let's see it. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's see in this part 11 what we are learning, and like this video, share a friend and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on this channel. And this is our part 11 on the arrays or DSA. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing algorithm. So let's talk about it. Inserted sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works by intuitively inserting each element of an unsorted list into its correct position in a sorted portion of the list. It is like sorting playing cards in your hand. You split the cards into two groups, the sorted cards and the unsorted cards. Then you pick a card from unsorted group and put it in the right place in the sorted group. First, we start with second element of the array. A as a first element in the array is assumed to be sorted. Number 2, compare second element with the first element and check if the second element is smaller, than swap them. Number 3, move to the third element and compare it with the first two elements and put all at its correct position. Number 4, repeat until the entire array is sorted. Okay, so now this one diagram, this is one example of a initially means 23, 23, 1, 10, 5, 2. Okay, then let me small it, then show you. Okay, this one diagram. In this diagram, there is written, there one initially means 23. First box, in the first box there is written 23, 1, 10, 5, 2. Swap with 25, 1, 10, 5, 2. Okay, then first pass means 23, 1, 10, 5, 2. You will be swap 1 with 20. Means you will be swap 1 means 1 with 23 means first the 20 replace 23 with 1 means where you write 23 write there 1, and where you write 1 write there 23. Like this. Okay, there is one example, let me show you like this. Let me comment here and let me give like this. Okay, like this. Then second pass, in the second pass you want to do it, swap 10 with 23. Okay, 10 with 23. When you swap 10 with 23, so there is coming 1 and 1, 10, 23 like this. Then swap 5 with 10. Okay, swap 5 with 10. Okay, then swap 5 with 10. So then the 5 will become in the second place and then 10 will become into the third place. So it's looking like this. Okay, then swap 2 with 5. So when you swap 2 with 5, so then it will be coming like 1, 2, 5, 23. So smallest to greatest like this. Okay, so first of all you do the entirely, then first pass, then second pass, then third pass, then fourth pass. Okay, this is called the insert and sort, and this is one implementation of it of our above diagram. So let's implement it. There is a not a many code, there is a little bit code. So let's run this. Okay, now the output will become 5, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13. And how? I have told you that in our above diagram. So let me say to my AI assistant, remove numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So now it will be started removing my all the numbers which I have given. So now it has been started removing it. When it has been removed once the time, so you only want to do it, click on the copy and click on the, and then paste the code here. And then when you click on the paste the code, so it will give you the output 5, 6, 7, 12, 13. Why? And I write here 12, 11, 13, 5 and 6. But why it is giving me 5, 6, 11, 12, 13? I have already told you that in this diagram it is giving me the output 5, 12, 13, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13 because of this diagram. First it give you the here it entirely like 2, 5, 1, 10, 5, 2, then first pass, then second pass, then third pass, then fourth pass. I told you in this diagram. Okay, So let's come down. So now when this will be ended, so let's come on it here, where it is, where it is. So now I told you about it. Illustration means in the like in the array, you create one array 23, 1, 10, 5, 2. Initial current element is 23. The first element in the array is assumed to be sorted. The sorted part until the zeroth index is 23. First pass. Compare 1 with 23 current element with the sorted path. Since 1 is smaller, insert 1 before the 23. The sorted part until first index is 1, 2, 1, then 23. So, perfect. Then, in the second part, you want to do it, compare 10 with 1. So, compare 10 with 1 and 23. Current element with the sorted part. Signs 10 is greater than 1 and smaller than 23. Insert 10 between of 1 and 23 because 10 is smaller than 10 is bigger than 1 and smaller than 23. So we will be inserted 10 insert the 10 between the 1 and 23. Then the sorted part until the 2 index is coming like 1, 10, 23. So perfect. Then in the third pass there is coming compare 5 with 1. So compare 5 with 1, 10 and 23. So current element with the sorted part. Signs 5 is greater than 1 and it is smaller than 10. Insert 5 between the 1 and 10. Why? Because 5 is smaller, 5 is greater than 1, smaller than 10. So will be inserted in the center of the 1 and 10. Then the sorted part and the third index is coming like 1, 5, 10, 23. So it is perfect, smallest to greatest. In the fourth pass, compare 2. Now the last element has been left 2. So 2 with 1, 5, 10 and 23. Current element will be sorted part. So 2 is greater than 1, okay, and smaller than 5 and insert 2 between 1 and 5. Why? Because 2 is greater than 1 and smaller than 5. So insert 2 between the 1 and 5. Then the sorted part until 4 index is coming 1, 2, 5, 10, 23. The final array will be sorted array is 1, 2, 5, 10, 23. So here we sorted our array, final array. So like that you can sort your array. Complexity analysis of insert and sort. Time complexity of insert and sort. Best case 0n. If the list is already sorted, where n is the number of elements in the list. Average case 0 and 2 if the list is randomly ordered. Worst case 0 and 2 if the list is in reverse order. Space complexity of an insert and sort. Alloxery space 0, 1. Insert and sort requires 0, 1 additional space, making it a space efficient sorting algorithm. Please refer to complexity analysis of insert and sort for details. Advantages of insert and sort. Simple and easy to implement. Number 2. Stable and sorting algorithm. Number 3. Efficient for small list and nearly sorted list. Number 4. It is space efficient as it is an in place algorithm. Then number 5. Adaptive. The number of inversions is directly proportional to a number of swaps. For example, no swapping happens for a sorted array and it takes 0 and time only. So this is one advantage. So disadvantages of insert and sort. Inefficient for large list. Number 2. Not as efficient as other sorting algorithm, for example merge sort, quick sort for most cases. Applications of insert and sort. Insert and sort is a commonly used in situations where the list is small or nearly sorted. Number 2, spatiality and stability are important. Number 3, use as a subroutine in a bucket sort. Then can be useful when array is already almost sorted. Very few inversions. Number last not least. Since insert and sort is suitable for small size arrays, it is used in hybrid sorting algorithm along with other efficient algorithms like quick sort, merge sort. When the sub-array size becomes small, we switch to insert and sort in these recursive algorithms. For example, intro series and time intro sorts, time sort, and use insert and sorts. So our this chapter has been also be ended by the name of insert and sorts. So guys, here you can see that this part 11 has been ended very successfully. Yes. So I hope you can enjoy this video. So if you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So never miss out these type of videos on this Code with PK channel. And I tell you one more thing else. Please get ready for our part 12. I am uploading our part 12 very soon as possible. Okay, so now let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.